Hey, what's up, fellows? Yes, it's me. Are you over 40 and thinking about switching to IT, but you're confused about which IT certification actually fits you? Because let's be real, not everyone is starting from the same place. A nurse, a truck driver, and a customer service rep. They all have completely different strengths. So in this video, I'm going to help you figure out which IT certification is the best fit based on your background so you don't waste money and time on the wrong one. And I'll also tell you which certification can get you in IT fast if you are over 40 and trying to make that transition. So are you ready for this? Let's dig. So why picking the right certification matters? Here's the truth. Not all IT certifications are created equal, especially when you're starting at 40, because you don't have time to chase random certification from one course to another. You need the exact certification that matches your existing strengths, your learning style, and your career goals. Because when you align your background with the right IT path, the transition becomes smoother and you start building confidence faster. That's what this video is all about, connecting your real-world experience to the right IT starting point. So let's say if you have worked in healthcare, teaching, or admin assistant, you already have strong documentation skills, attention to details, and problem solving under pressure. You are used to following the procedure, dealing with sensitive information, and supporting people, all of which are massive strengths in IT support and security. So which certification would be the best for you? Start with the Google IT Support Certification. This certification teaches you how to troubleshoot computers, support end users, and manage basic IT systems. Just like helping staff and patients with tech issues in a hospital or school. Within 6 to 9 months, you can land roles like IT support specialist, help desk technician, or a desktop support technician. And once you're in, you can always level up to Security Plus if you are interested in protecting healthcare or school networks from cyber threats. Let's say you're coming from retail, customer service, or a call center. This one is easy. If you have spent years dealing with customers, handling complaints, or solving problems under pressure, you already have one of the most underrated IT skill: communication. IT isn't just about fixing computers. It's about explaining solutions clearly and helping people who are frustrated. So which IT certification is best for you? Start with CompTIA A+ as your foundation. It's perfect for people who like to troubleshoot and helping others. You learn about hardware, software, printers, and basic networking. With this certification, you can land help desk or IT support roles, and your people skills will make you stand out from the crowd. Then once you have gotten some experience under your belt, move on to CompTIA Network Plus to learn how devices actually connect and communicate with each other. So let's say if you are from military, law enforcement, or compliance background, you already know structure, security, and following procedures. And that's exactly what cybersecurity is all about. You are trained to notice small details, risk management, and protect people and systems. And that mindset fits perfectly into IT security. Which certification is best for you? Start with CompTIA Security Plus. This certification teaches you the fundamentals of protecting networks, identify vulnerabilities, and managing incidents. If you have a clearance or government experience, you're already ahead because many cybersecurity jobs require those clearances. From there, you can move into roles like security analyst, information information security specialist, or even SOC analyst. Cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing area in IT, and with your discipline and structure, you'll fit right in. Let's say you drive Uber, drive a UPS truck, logistics, or a delivery background. You're used to being hands-on, solving problems on the move, and working independently. That's exactly what field IT and technical support roles need. So what is the best IT certification for you? Start with CompTIA A+, and then move into Network Plus. A+ gets you comfortable with installing and fixing computers, while Network Plus teaches you how networks, Wi-Fi, switches, and routers actually work. These are the same skills IT technicians or field engineers use when setting up systems for businesses. You can apply for jobs like IT field technician or a network technician. These roles are perfect for those who enjoy moving around, not stuck behind a desk, and using their hands to solve real problems. Let's say if you are in sales, marketing, or operations, and you love systems, data, or analytics. You'll likely enjoy cloud and automation. What would be the best certification for you? Start with AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. It's an entry-level cloud certification that helps you understand how businesses use the cloud to scale and operate. No coding required, just a curiosity about how technology powers modern companies. With AWS certifications, you can move towards cloud support or cloud administrator roles, where your communication and business background become an asset. This is also one of the best long-term directions for people looking for remote or hybrid jobs after 40. Now, here's my message for everyone over 40. You're not too late. Your experience is your superpower. You already have people skills, structure, and real-world experience. All you need now is the technical foundation. Whether you start with A+, Google IT certification, Network Plus, or Security Plus. The key is just to start, because in IT, your background doesn't hold you back. It gives you an edge. So tell me in the comments, what's your background and which certification are you going to start with? So that's it, folks. Stay tuned for more IT beginner-friendly content. Until next time, take care of yourselves and others, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.